leaders who got who were unsatisfied with his decision, right? So they have decided to start another party, and they have laid down the foundation of Swaraj Party as Congress Khilafat Swaraj Party. So it proposed an alternative program for diverting the movement from widespread civil disobedience programs to restrictive one. Right? So already there had been widespread civil disobedience programs such as boycott of the foreign clothes, boycott of the government schools, government colleges, courts, right? So there had been a widespread program. Now, instead of having such a widespread program, Swaraj Party decided to have only one program, that is called the program to a restrictive one, and which could have encouraged its members to enter the legislative councils, right, which was established by it was established under the Montfort reforms, right? So by contesting elections in order to wreak so there is a message. Okay, fine. So I was talking about the
So students asking from me about the books for
GAT
this.
book, right?
Yes.
Yes. So I was reading the same message that the yes, GAT books are available in market, but see in what way you are using it, that would be very important. I think there is one book, not separately for GAT, rather okay, what Akshay is asking. So we want the PDF of notebook. Yes, Pathfinder, exactly. There are questions of GK, right? Questions of GK, like previous one. So Lucent GK. In Lucent GK, you will not get any kind of question. Yes, Akshay, exactly. That kind of PDF I will send, whatever I'm using.
हेलो सर।
हाँ
सर अमेज़न पर है ना जीके का बुक?
yes, GK. There are different books of GK which are available on Amazon, Flipkart, or any other online, right? But my question is that what I wanted to convey you that it would be very difficult to select only the required matter. No doubt you should use it. So when you are going to share that with us, probably maybe in the next week, because in this week I'm not going back. I'm at my native place. So right now I don't have that material. But whenever I will go back, at that time I will share it. Fine. Restricted their programs to only one. Yes, exactly, Pratik. Pathfinder plus GK, I think, yes, around 500. Last year I have, I think, bought it at maybe around 450. Fine. So that would be very interesting and useful for as far as the practice is concerned. Right? So for the purpose of practice, you can use that particular book. It would be a very great one. If someone wants to use any another book for GK, then that would be very easy thing. But for that purpose, you need to always spend much more time to go through that one. Fine. Anyway, so let's come back. So I was talking about the Congress Khilapat Swaraj Party, who have a restrictive only one program instead of a widespread civil disobedience, and that only one restrictive program is nothing but to enter into the Legislative Council. So by contesting the elections in order to break the legislature from within and to use the moral pressure to compel authority as well as to concede the popular demand of self-government. Though, as I said, though they have only one restricted program, but that restricted single program was itself having three different kinds of demands. So very first demand is contesting elections and entering into the Legislative Council. So what is the purpose of entering Legislative Council? So once if you enter into the Legislating Council, then it will be helpful to put a moral pressure to compel the authority, particularly government authority, as well as to concede the demand of self-government. Right. So these were the three different things you can consider. So in the election held in 1923, Swaraj Party captured 45 seats of 145 seats. Right. So you can consider around one third, 45 seats of 145 seats. Right. So, and as far as Bengal is concerned, so in Bengal, the Swaraj Party has the largest party. Right. In Bengal, the Swaraj Party emerged as largest party. And you can consider in this now the Swaraj Party demanded the release of all the political prisoners, provincial autonomy of repressive, and as well as the repealing of the repressive laws which were imposed by a government earlier. Right. But after 2 years, that is particularly after death of C.R. Das in 1925, the Swaraj Party drifted towards policy of cooperation, right, with the government, and this led the dissension of the party, and that had broken up the party in 1926, right. So when till the life of C.R. Das, the party was sticked with his goal, right, and that is of the self government. But later on, as I said, after his death, the party drifted towards the policy of cooperation to the government, and obviously because of this, the sense of the party broke off in 1926. Right. So this is what you can consider as far as the Swaraj Party, right? Swaraj Party, that is in 1923. So we have considered 12th of February 1922, the incidents of Chauri Chaura. Right. So Gandhiji's decision caused, right, in order to connect it with the earlier incidents. So Gandhiji's decision to withdraw caused non-cooperation movement caused frustration among the colleagues. Frustration among his colleagues, or in large case, we can consider in among the masses. Right. Now, then particularly the decision was, right, severely criticized. Right. So again, his decision severely criticized by Motilal Nehru, right, and actually these were the leaders of, or the founders of the Swaraj Party, C.R. Das and N.C. Kelkar. Right. So these three have severely criticized Gandhiji's decision to call off the non-cooperation movement. Right. And then they organized Swaraj Party. They organized Swaraj Party. Fine. So on 1st January 1923, as its name was as Congress Khilafat Swaraj Party. Great. Congress Khilafat Swaraj Party. Fine. So, what Congress Khilafat Swaraj Party have done? Right. So, it proposed, Congress Khilafat Swaraj Party proposed alternative program. Right. Alternative program. So, what was that alternative program? Instead of widespread civil disobedience, right? So that was a restrictive, right? And that is nothing but to enter into legislative council, right? So proposed alternative program, that is to enter to legislative council, right? So this was the alternative program of the Congress Khilafat Swaraj Party. Congress Khilafat Swaraj Party. Right. Now another thing here we can consider that what was the motive to enter into the legislative council, right? So what was the purpose to enter into the legislative council? So very first purpose is to use moral pressure, right? So use moral pressure on the government, or to compel authority, right? So use moral pressure to compel the government authority and concede the, what you can consider, the demand of self-government, to concede the demand of self-government, right? So these were the two things you can always consider, right? That is, by using the moral pressure on the government authority, if we could concede the demand of self-government. So that was the only one program of Congress Khilafat Swaraj Party, right? So this is and then they won, only 45 seats among 145 seats. They won 45 seats among 145 seats, right? So this is the case. As far as in Bengal, right, particularly so in Bengal, Swaraj Party emerged as largest party, Party. And once now they became the largest party, or as they won 45 seats, so they have put a pressure on government, right? Though it was not only it was not to concede the demand of self government, but it at initial phase they have put pressure to free the imprisoners, right? So they have demanded release of the political prisoners, provincial autonomy, as well as the repealing of the repressive laws. Right? So Swaraj Party demanded, right? What they demanded? So Swaraj Party demanded release of all the political prisoners. Political prisoners. Second demand is provincial autonomy and repealing of the repressive laws. And repealing of the repressive laws. Repealing of the repressive laws. So these were the demands which the Swaraj Party have put it in front of government. But unfortunately, after death of C.R. Das, after death of C.R. Das, party drifted towards a policy of cooperation with government. With government, right? Policy. So drifted towards policy with the government. Right. So this is what you have for Swaraj Party. Now, later on, there had been the Simon Commission. So in 1927, so the activities of the Swaraj Party had induced British government to review the working of the diarchy system introduced by the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms, that is in 1990, and to report as to what extent the representative government could be introduced in the India. For that purpose, the commission had come from Britain, right, which consists of consisting the British what you can consider Simon Commission, right? So British government appointed Simon Commission in November 1927 to perform or to do a task of reviewing the Chelmsford reforms implemented in 1919, according to which now the Indian people have elected, as we know here, 45 seats among 145 seats, and now they have to reform, and they have given a title that the reform will be carried out to provide the representation to the Indian government, and to how much extent or how much percentage the representation should be. In order to discuss this particular point, they have sent a commission called Simon Commission. But one more thing that, and which was not acceptable, all the members of this commission were only Europeans, right? So no Indian political leader or no Indian scholar was the part of or the member of the Simon Commission. So Indian political leaders felt insulted and they decided to boycott the Simon Commission, right? If you are coming here to provide the representation to the Indian government by the Indians, then at least there should be some members from India. Right? This was a very simple demand of the then's leaders. And as this Simon Commission has no such kind of member, so Indian leaders have decided the Simon boycott of the Simon Commission, right? And therefore, you can consider here the Simon go back, right? You know, in some of the movies, probably you must have seen Lala Lajpat Rai boycotting the Simon Commission, right? Last line is nothing but a policy of cooperation with government. So after the death of C.R. Das, the party drifted towards the policy of cooperation with the government. Right? जसं government बनेल तसं. So while leading the demonstration against Simon Commission in Lahore, what I was talking, so there had been a fatal lathi charge or lathi blow. Was dealt to Lala Lajpat Rai and I think what is about who was Simon or what this term means. Okay. Yes. So see, it depends on now. See, commission is a authoritative uh, group of people, and probably it must be having chairman and some members. So Simon was the chairman of this particular commission, and who was one of the high rank officers, right? So as a representative of government who had come to India as a chairman of this commission, and that particular commission is always known as the Simon Commission. Right? So here, as like in India, you must have autonomy means the condition of self-government. Is it? Yes, autonomy is, yeah, exactly. Right. What was